to do another outfits of the week, and I have a camera lady in Leanna today. So, what I'm wearing, I thought I'd start because I'm wearing quite a smart outfit today, which is unusual. This coat is from New Look. I got this last year. I think it's still available in a couple of different colours. It was dead cheap, and I really, really like it. Oh, in fact, this is also from New Look. I got this recently. This was gifted. Full disclosure, I really like this with this coat. I thought it was a bit of a funny colour for me, but when I put this coat on, I really liked it. These were, funnily enough, also gifted. Not usual for me, but hey ho. From Joni, super comfortable. I didn't love them when I first opened them, but they are really, really comfortable, and they look really smart, I think. These are really, really old shoes from Topshop, and this is my newest possession. This was my birthday present from Lee. You've already seen it in an unboxing. It is the Rebecca Minkoff Edie bag, and I am obsessed with it. That's pretty much my entire outfit today. Thanks, Leanna. Now it's tomorrow. Day number 2. Outfit number 2. This, and I'm not wearing my coat today. I realised I should have taken my coat off to show you my outfit, and I didn't, so here we are today. This is from Primark. It's really new, so it'll still be available. I love it. It's about £13. Love. And these shoes are forever old from H&M, and I'm wearing socks because I've got a gynecological appointment later and I don't want cold feet. Which is, you know, usually you don't want to see the white socks, the boots, and the white legs, but hey ho. And that is my whole outfit. It's Wednesday, so this is my outfit today. This is, I want to say at least a year old from H&M. These jeans, I really want to love them, but they just attract every little tiny bit of fluff, and they're from New Look. Really comfortable, high-waist jeans, but they're kind of that kind of texture. It's really annoying, so I hardly ever wear them. And then these boots are from Matalan. I really wanted to get some Doc Martens, and I kind of was like, am I really going to wear Doc Martens? It's a really nice style, really expensive, and I think these were £30. I really like these. Wear them not all that much, truth be told, so probably not worth buying the Doc Martens. But this is today's outfit. I'm going to swap the camera around and show you who's been filming so far. This is Leanna. She's been my camera woman so far, and I thought I'd show you her outfit because it's super cute today. Where's everything from, Leanna?
So this is from Tesco's at Christmas, so it might be still in.
Maybe in the sale.
This is from ASOS. Jeans, New Look, the Harley, and my shoes are from Primark that I've cut.
Recently trimmed. Recently trimmed shoes.
Yeah.
I love that jacket.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's really
comfy.
nice.
It's like quilted inside. So
I feel like you could go immediately from work and go out now, yeah?
yeah.
Right, we meant to do this earlier. My hair was up and now it's... No, it wasn't. My hair was down and now it's up. I've been at my house and I was just like... You know when you just can't have your hair down? You have to put it up. So I'm feeling very, like, androgynous now in this whole outfit. This is mega old from Primark. These are... I think these are Jamie jeans from Topshop or Joni jeans. I can't remember. Anyway, they were supposed to be black. Once upon a time they were black. These are from Primark. Forever old now, a couple of years, but they are dead comfortable. They're really high, and you would think they weren't comfortable, but they are. They've got really like rubbery soles. I remember walking around London for an entire day, and they weren't even remotely uncomfortable. And this is like part of one thing. So this is today's outfit. Hello, this is the last one. Right, yesterday was super awkward because we left it so late. It was like the time that people were leaving. I got Leanna to do it on the way out, so a bit awkward. But today, it's that time again when nobody's here and no one's expecting us to be filming by the grit bins, so here we are. Right, last outfit. This is the same coat. Oh, in fact, I've got my coat and bag again like we did at the beginning. Same coat that I showed you at the beginning of the week from New Look. They do pretty much this exact same coat in loads of different colours still, I checked. This is from H&M a million years ago. I actually wore this when I was pregnant, can you tell? And Milo, the littlest one, is like 8 now, so I'll just forever. These I've talked about a million times on various social media platforms. These are amazing. These are from New Look. I had a pair sent to me and I bought a pair. They are that good. And I'm saving a brand new pair to take with me to New York, so I can't wait. They are fleecy on the inside, so they're really, really warm. Not so great for summertime, but especially at this time of year, they're kind of like almost thermal. And and also, size down. I've got these in a 10 and I'm normally a 12. But number one, they do get a little bit baggy over time. I've washed these, no problem. They're not, you know, I'd still wear them, not an issue. But I think if you've got them in your size, they would be too baggy straight away. So just something to know. Everyone I've told to buy them has come back and said size down was a good idea. And they do come in plus size as well. They've got a zip up here, but it's kind of like inconsequential. They feel like leggings, just super, super comfortable. Can't say enough about the leggings. And the shoes, I think were from June a million years ago. I can't remember. I've again had them forever, but I think they're really cute. Little leopard print, pointy loafers. What would we call them? I don't know. maybe. So yeah, here we go, outfit. And that is it. If you enjoy this, let me know. Even if you don't, I'll probably do these every month for lols. And the next one that you see will be from New York.